Okay, so I'm going to show you how to add assignments or activities or whatever in Seesaw. So you're going to get into your Seesaw and hold on, I'm going to have to look for just a second. All right, so you need to come up here to the green and you're going to assign an activity. And if you already know how to do this, just ignore this. So then you need to come over here to, until you can get things kind of built up in your library, come over to community. And then, like, for example, there's Halloween stuff right there, or you can look down here. Man, I should have had something. What are we doing? Time. We're doing in time. So let's do, hold on a second. Let me see if I can find this. Okay, I can't find things. So make sure this right here says first grade. And then, oh, down here where it says time. You can also search. So if you specifically wanted blends, you could do that. And then stuff pops up. So I'm just going to do this. And just kind of browse and see if anything looks like what we might need. I think we're going to be doing to the half hour. This might be a good one. Okay, so pick one. And what I've been doing, now listen, you can do it however you want to, seriously. But what I've been doing is assigning like 2 phonics, 2 math, or like 2 math and 2 ELA of some kind. Phonics, whatever. Because this is, for my class, this is just supplemental. So I'm going to pull this up and I'm going to press assign. And you do want to make sure that that's clicked, but it always will be. I've got 78 students. That's not right, but that's like some of the extras you were talking about. So then you come down here to schedule. I'm going to start mine on the 31st. So you do this and you have to pay attention because like this first day is not Sunday, it's Monday. I know you're not an idiot, but I'm just pointing that out. So I'm going to put that it starts on the 31st and I put mine at 8 a.m. So that means that they will, it'll pop up in Seesaw at 8 o'clock on the 31st. I keep mine there through that weekend. So like whatever, I'm actually looking at a calendar. So basically, it'll be, again, you can do it however you want to, but this will be pop up on the 31st. It'll be there all through that weekend through through November the 6th. And then Monday morning, you can just get into the habit of when you do your missing Mondays and your overdues. Doesn't have to be Monday morning, but Monday you can go in and I'll show you how to archive those activities, okay? All right, so there's the 31st. So that's going to do that. So then press that little green arrow. And then come down here and it says assign on October 31st. It's assigning the activity and you're done with that. So then you know that it's assigned because you're going to exit out of there and you're going to come over here to your activities and your click activities, and then that's a scheduled one. Okay, God, I couldn't hardly spit that out. That's a scheduled one. So go to schedule and there it is. So you see that it's going to be the 31st at 8 o'clock. Okay. So then the ones that are assigned right now, see, like I've got, this is what I have right now. I'm almost done. But anyway, like this week, which yesterday was the 24th. So, and at 8 o'clock, so I had, a beginning sounds and a graphing. I did all Halloween. Sequencing events. Oh, I just did 3. But basically, just look at it like Seesaw is supplemental. I do not take grades off of them. Some people do, but I don't. But I always try to go with either the holiday or with something that they are, like that we're working on in class, just as a supplement. Okay? I think that's it. Okay.